Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Tayron R Line 75 2.0 TDI 7-seater DSG. This stunning white 7-seater SUV is packed with top-of-the-line features for ultimate comfort and safety on the road. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this vehicle is sure to impress. Not only does this Volkswagen offer luxury and style, but it also boasts a range of security features such as collision alert, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags for your peace of mind. With a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, you'll enjoy a smooth and efficient drive every time. Plus, this Tayron comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, a comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Visit mullingarautos.ie or call us today for more information.